In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open ETrade Roth IRA. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll share helpful tips along the way to make everything smooth and stress-free. First, head to the official ETrade website using a secure browser. Make sure you see the secure HTTPS and that you're on the legitimate site before entering any personal information. On the homepage, look for the Open Account button, typically near the top of the page. Click that to get started. If you're on a mobile device, this option may be in a menu icon. Just open the menu and select Open Account. If the site asks whether you're a new or existing customer, choose the option that applies to you and continue. Next, you'll choose your account type. In the menu of account categories, select Retirement and then choose Roth IRA. This is important because a Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars, which can allow qualified withdrawals in retirement to be tax-free. If you see multiple retirement options, such as traditional IRA or rollover IRA, be sure you specifically select Roth IRA. If you're unsure whether a Roth IRA is right for you, consider your current and expected future tax situation and contribution eligibility. You'll also want to keep in mind that there are annual contribution limits and income-based eligibility rules, so having a general idea of your eligibility before proceeding can save time. Now, you'll fill in your information. Enter your legal name exactly as it appears on official documents, along with your current residential address. A physical address is typically required. If you have a separate mailing address, be ready to provide that as well. You'll also be asked for your Social Security number. This is standard and required by federal regulations to verify your identity and tax reporting. Take a moment to double-check this field for accuracy. You'll provide basic employment information too, such as your occupation and employer details, or indicate if you're self-employed, a student, or not currently employed. These questions help the brokerage meet regulatory requirements and tailor certain disclosures. As you complete each section, review for typos and ensure everything is accurate and consistent. Having a recent utility bill or identification handy can be useful if any additional verification is requested. If a field doesn't apply to you, look for options like Not Applicable rather than leaving it blank. That's it. You've gone to ETrade, selected Roth IRA under Retirement, and entered your personal and employment details. Follow the on-screen prompts from here and you'll be well on your way